Every gemstone carries a story of nature, science, and authenticity. Our Gemological Workshop is not just a learning session. It is a journey into understanding gemstones the right way, from identifying genuine stones to understanding clarity, color, cut, and value. Participants experience practical, hands-on gemology guided by expert insight. Here, curiosity met knowledge, questions turned into clarity, and passion transformed into confidence. This workshop is designed for jewelers, astrologers, students, and anyone who wishes to understand gemstones beyond myths and assumptions. What made it special? Simple explanations, real samples, and knowledge that is truly useful in real-world practice. At our institute, we believe true gemological education should be accessible to all. That's why our courses are affordable, practical, and deeply informative. Our professional gemology courses are now open for admission, with maximum bonuses, rich study material, and expert guidance. It's an investment in knowledge, credibility, and professional growth. International Gemology Association.